Who's that pretty girl? I'm not sure if she's sleepy or not, but I'm gonna try. Maybe she'll go to sleep and take a nap. Well, we tried. She's not going to sleep. So, we'll try to see if she wants to play for a little bit. Burn that energy. Ya estaba como medio chilloncita y pues le di tomar, pero aún así estaba fallando los ojos.
Sí, pero pues se duerme ahorita y te va a despertar.
You wanna play some? Yeah? This is what I have to do for my daughter, to just chill. Ay, 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 ay. She wants to stand on everything. Oh, mamas. So, this is what the vanity looks like right now, and it's just a mess. I'm tired of all this clutter. And I have a bag down there that's full of nail polish. So, my thing is I want to build, well, I want to have a drawer that will hold all my makeup so that I can start using this for what it was intended for, which is jewelry. In this corner here, I decided to put my camera, and I want to fix it up. This I'll end up moving over there. In the middle will be a mirror, and then that is gonna go right here. In the closet, there are some pieces here that used to go to a futon, and I want to try to see if I can put them up and just use them as like a shelf, you know. And it matches actually pretty good with that. I just don't know what I would use them for. Probably to hold some of other miscellaneous things. That was one choice. I'm not sure yet. I'm not sure yet if I'm gonna put these or if they would go and make it up there like on a corner shelf and then paint them white so that they can go with the vanity. So right now my husband is gonna help me set it up. We'll see how it goes. cannot believe that it took me this long to organize everything. It is right now 10 p.m. 10 p.m. Let me flip it. This is the box that I had on the top of my jewelry where it was just holding all my jewelry and it was just a big mess. So right now this is empty. And finally we have my rings, my main gold bracelets, some other bracelets, my watches, some other special jewelry that I just keep. I don't really wear it, but I just keep. And it comes with like this little mirror right here. I could leave it open, but most of the time I would just keep it closed so that I can put stuff on the top. First thing here is all my selected earrings from the smallest to the biggest. Then I have just sets, so they're like earrings that go with the necklace. A lot in there. Here, just some of the other random jewelry that I don't really wear, like stuff like this I wore at my wedding. Past wedding rings. Oh, and these are my husband's and I graduation rings. Here are some bracelets. Here are more bracelets, stuff that my husband has made for me. Here, when he was into chainmail, he designed all these stuff for me. So even though I don't really wear them anymore, I keep them because it's just so sweet of him to have made so many things for me. Just I've gone down to almost no jewelry, especially with the kid that pulls on everything. Here are some random things. These, I'm waiting to collect enough of these before I send them back for recycling. What else? Some other stuff. Big wedges, stuff to clean my jewelry. Other little things here. And on the very bottom, I have nail polish that I hardly ever use, but every once in a while when I have the urge to paint my nails, I have what I need just for simple nail stuff. Acetone. So that's that. Here is my table that I use for filming with the backdrop. I'm waiting to get the backdrop holder so I no longer have to make holes into the wall whenever I pin this up. Here's my filming camera, my ring light, and this I gotta organize, but it's just all the stuff that I need for my camera stuff, you know, my microphones and my batteries. And here is all my makeup. This one's empty. This one is just like my clean towel and stuff to pick up my hair. Here are those little tiny NYX lipsticks that I haven't really used in a while, but I don't want to get rid of them yet. If I were want to pull up a colorful look, I could pull it from here, just because I don't think that I've seen another collection, like another makeup collection that is as colorful as this one. But so for now I'm keeping it. On the side is just the only two lip liners. I never really use lip liners, but when I do, I use these. The Essence and Kylie. This one was, yeah, Kylie Cosmetics. This one is the only lipstick that I have. I love the color. From Flower Beauty. Gotta be so OCD. Here are my lashes. Here are my random eye, like mascaras, eyebrow stuff, and eyeliners. Pretty empty actually. I think I'm gonna get some kind of divider or like a tray where I can keep them separate. Here are my the few blushes and highlights and bronzers. Then here is my current foundations with the setting powders, face powders, foundation powder, and setting spray and primer. Next is a few palettes. The only two eye glitters I have to sparkle a little bit. And other random things. My two colorful palettes from Morphe. And on the very bottom is a project that I'm working on where I am putting little stones onto brushes. These brushes I don't really intend to use like for my face. I just kind of want them as a decoration. These are honestly because these are not great. They kind of suck. But these are actually pretty good. I got these more recently. These I got these like 3 years ago. These recently I got I think last year, and these are actually really good, even from the same brand that it's sold on Amazon. These are pretty good though. The eye makeup brushes. So far the only brush I have done is this one here. It's not perfect, but it looks pretty overall. Then, so finally, the last thing is my vanity. I finally don't have a lot of random things just piling on the bottom. And I feel like I finally have a little more space. I have my lamp, a few decoration things. I wanted to keep it like white and gold. This one is a candle. Candles by Victoria. It smells really good. These candles are just for decoration. Here are my actual brushes that I use on a daily basis when I put on my makeup. I already declutter a lot of them and gave to my mom. So eye brushes, powder, and for base. And then here's some other little smaller ones, more detailing. This is the only one here. But I'm picturing eventually I want to move these out and put them somewhere else. And whenever I'm done with putting the little stones, then I'm going to put them all in here. Sponges. And then this is just my everyday makeup. So what I've done is I put my most used stuff. So my current mascara and primer, my eyelash curler, 3-in-1 base from Wet n Wild, the primer that I'm trying to use up, the most used up lipstick. Here is a brush cleaner that I make myself, some alcohol, some eye drops. First is my current concealers. Second is the only powder that I'm using to set my concealer. Here are some brow products and eyeshadow base. A brown and a black eyeliner. These are the most recent lipsticks that I've gotten from NYX. The NYX Lingerie. My only 2 lip glosses from Everyday Natural. And some random things to help me for eyelashes, for eyelash application, where I put my foundation base. And this little thing that my mom let me borrow. It's really handy. 1, 2, 3, and that's it. Overall, that's what it looks like. Alright guys, thanks for watching. See you on my next vlog.